Coolest car gadgets and gears on Amazon. Owning a car is more than just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the experience, convenience, and joy of the ride. With the incredible advancements in car gadgets and gear, you can now transform your vehicle into a smarter, safer, and more comfortable space. From cutting-edge safety tools to state-of-the-art entertainment systems, these gadgets are designed to make every drive memorable and stress-free. If you're ready to level up your car game, you're in for a treat. Marcola LED flares. Imagine being stranded on a dark highway with limited visibility. The Marcola LED flares ensure you're never invisible in such scenarios. These ultra-bright, high-powered LED safety flares are designed to grab attention instantly. Whether you're dealing with an emergency or simply want to mark your presence on the road, these flares are a lifesaver. Built with robust materials, they are crush-proof, waterproof, and resistant to extreme weather conditions. Their magnetic backing allows you to securely attach them to your car, while the multi-flash modes ensure visibility from every angle. But it's not just about emergencies. These LED flares also provide peace of mind. They come in a convenient storage case, making them easy to carry wherever you go. Plus, they are environmentally friendly, as they eliminate the need for disposable flares. With a battery life that can last up to 36 hours, the Marcola LED flares are not just a gadget, they're your ultimate road safety companion. Fobo Tire 2. Driving with the right tire pressure isn't just about comfort, it's a matter of safety and efficiency. Enter the Fobo Tire 2, a smart tire pressure monitoring system that brings real-time updates directly to your smartphone. This gadget uses Bluetooth technology to keep an eye on your tire health. With its easy installation process, you can attach the sensors to your tire valves without any professional help. Once installed, the Fobo Tire 2 continuously monitors your tires, alerting you instantly if there's a drop in pressure. What sets the Fobo Tire 2 apart is its precision and practicality. It not only prolongs the lifespan of your tires, but also enhances fuel efficiency, saving you money in the long run. The app is user-friendly, allowing you to monitor multiple vehicles simultaneously. Whether you're planning a road trip or navigating city streets, the Fobo Tire 2 ensures you're always prepared for the road ahead. Joyroom CL18. If staying connected while driving is your priority, the Joyroom CL18 is the gadget you need. This versatile phone mount doubles as a wireless charger, ensuring your device stays charged and accessible during your journey. The mount features a sturdy grip, holding your phone securely even on bumpy roads. Its fast charging capability supports multiple devices, making it a perfect fit for modern smartphones. But the Joyroom CL18 isn't just practical, it's also sleek and stylish. Its 360-degree rotation allows you to adjust the angle effortlessly for navigation or hands-free calls. The intelligent design ensures optimal heat dissipation, preventing your phone from overheating during long drives. With the Joyroom CL18, you can say goodbye to tangled cords and low battery anxiety, all while keeping your focus on the road. Sony XAV-AX8000 500. Transform your car's entertainment system with the Sony XAV-AX8000 500, a high-performance multimedia receiver that brings a world of features to your fingertips. This gadget boasts a large 8.95-inch anti-glare touchscreen, providing a user-friendly interface for navigation, music, and apps. With compatibility for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth, the XAV-AX8000 500 ensures seamless connectivity for all your devices. But this isn't just a screen. It's a gateway to a superior in-car experience. Its powerful sound system enhances audio clarity, making every song feel like a live performance. The customizable display and easy-to-navigate controls ensure you're always in command, whether you're streaming your favorite playlist or finding the quickest route. With its modern design and advanced technology, the Sony XAV-AX8000 500 takes your driving experience to the next level. Base's CW01. Keeping your car's interior clean has never been easier with the Base's CW01 portable vacuum cleaner. Compact yet powerful, This gadget combines convenience and efficiency to tackle dust, crumbs, and debris effortlessly. Designed to fit in your cup holder, the CW01 ensures it's always within reach when you need it. Its high suction power and multiple attachments allow you to clean every corner, from the seats to the floor mats. What makes the Baseus CW01 stand out is its rechargeable battery, which offers long-lasting performance without the hassle of cords. Its sleek, ergonomic design makes handling a breeze, while the noise reduction technology ensures it operates quietly. Whether you're a road trip enthusiast or just someone who loves a tidy car, the Baseus CW01 is your go-to solution for quick and effective cleaning. Garmin Dashcam. Safety meets innovation with the Garmin Dashcam, a compact yet feature-packed gadget that records your every drive. This device captures high-definition video, providing a clear and reliable record of any incidents on the road. Its wide-angle lens ensures no detail is missed, while the built-in GPS tracks your location and speed. The Garmin Dashcam goes beyond recording. It offers driver alerts for lane departure and forward collision, adding an extra layer of safety. The voice control feature allows you to operate it hands-free, ensuring you stay focused on driving. With cloud storage and seamless smartphone connectivity, reviewing and sharing footage is a breeze. For those who prioritize safety and accountability, the Garmin Dashcam is an invaluable addition to any vehicle. Jocko Elite Pro. For car enthusiasts who demand precision, the Jocko Elite Pro tire gauge is a must-have tool. This high-accuracy gauge ensures your tires are always inflated to the optimal pressure, improving safety, fuel efficiency, and performance. Made from rugged materials, the Elite Pro is built to withstand heavy use, making it a durable and reliable companion. Its user-friendly design includes a large, easy-to-read dial and a built-in air bleeder valve for precise adjustments. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during use, while the ANSI certified accuracy guarantees professional-grade results. Whether you're preparing for a long trip or maintaining your daily commute, the Jocko Elite Pro is an essential tool for keeping your tires in top condition. Azdome M660. The Azdome M660 Dual Dashcam takes vehicle surveillance to the next level. With front and rear cameras, it captures crystal clear footage in 4K resolution, ensuring every detail is visible. The night vision mode enhances clarity in low light conditions, making it perfect for evening and nighttime drives. This dashcam also features a parking monitor that records any movement around your vehicle when parked, providing added security. Its easy installation process and intuitive controls make it user-friendly for everyone. With the Azdome M660, you're not just investing in a gadget, you're investing in peace of mind, on and off the road. ESR Halolock. The ESR Halolock is a magnetic wireless charger that simplifies phone charging in your car. Designed for MagSafe compatible devices, it provides a secure hold and efficient charging, ensuring your phone stays powered up during long drives. The Halolock's compact and modern design seamlessly blends with your car's interior. Its adjustable viewing angle makes it ideal for navigation, while the powerful magnets ensure your phone remains steady even on rough terrain. If you value convenience and style, the ESR Halolock is a must-have gadget for your car. Baseus Folding Bracket and Tisket Pad. Say goodbye to clutter with the Baseus Folding Bracket and Tisket Pad, a multifunctional gadget that combines storage and convenience. This non-slip pad provides a secure spot for your phone, keys, and other essentials, ensuring they stay in place while you drive. The folding bracket feature allows you to use it as a phone stand, making it perfect for navigation or entertainment. Its heat-resistant and durable material ensures it withstands the rigors of daily use. Whether you're running errands or embarking on a road trip, the Baseus Folding Bracket and Tisket Pad keeps your essentials organized and within reach. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.